Hello guys, welcome back to innovative design tutorial. So guys, today we are going to create this simple pipe design in Solidworks. So let's see how we create this in Solidworks, and in this video I will tell you so many commands like revolve feature, extrude cut, chamfer, fillet and many more. So look how we do this in Solidworks, and here we create the sketch dimension for this pipe. So look how we create. First of all, we create the center line, horizontal and vertical, and here we create a line and we make the angle 5 degree. So look, here we create 5 degree, and from this center line, this revolve dimension 37.5, and overall total length from here to here 100 mm. Okay, and here we make the offset of 15 mm, and here we create the revolve. So look how we do this. So go to the file. So here select file, select new, and here we select part. Okay, now here we change the background to plain white, and here it's better to select right plane, sketch, normal. Here we create center line, horizontal and vertical. So here we create. Okay, now again select this center line, and we create this center line from this origin point up to here. Now exit this sketch. Again we select this line and we create the line from any point. So select and select this center line. Okay, and here we select this one. Now we go to the smart dimension, select this center line and this line, and we make the angle 5 degree, and select this line and this center line, make it also 5. Okay, and here we select this point and this center line, and its gap will be 27.5 mm. Select this one, this center point, make it also 37.5 mm. Okay, and here we create a line. So select this line, select this point and create one line. Make sure it is vertical. Go to the smart dimension and select this point and select this center line. Make the distance 100 mm. Enter, and here we make the mirror to this sketch. So select, go to the mirror. Now select this line and mirror about this center point. Here we delete this one. Again go to the smart dimension, select this point and this center line, and here we make the relation symmetric. Okay, now go to the smart dimension, select this line and this line, and make this gap 300. make this relation delete. Okay, a smart dimension like this line and this line, and make the gap 328 mm, and it's moved from midpoint. So look, and here we make the offset of 15 mm. So go to the offset command, select this offset and make the offset of 15 mm. Now select this line, and here do one thing, we make the close profile. So here go to the cap ends, and here we select line, so it's close all this profile. Okay, now here we make the revolve feature. So go to the feature, now select revolve boss base, and here we select this center line. So here we create revolve. Okay, so look how we create, and again we select this face, right click, sketch, normal. Here we select the circle, and we create circle from this point up to here. Now go to the smart dimension and make it 160 mm. Okay, now select this line, sorry not line, select this circle and make it for construction. And here we are create center line. So select center line and create the center line from this origin point and up to here. Okay, now again select this center line, we create a center line from this point to this point. Here look, the angle will be this angle will be 15 degree, and this circle will be 18 dia, and we create 6 number of circular pattern. So go to the smart dimension, select this line and this line and make it 15. Okay, and here we create the circle. So go to the circle, and from this point we create circle here. Go to the smart dimension and make it this circle 18 diameter, and here we create 6 number of circular pattern. So go to the sketch, here we select circular pattern and select the parameter. So simply select this center line. Okay, and entity to pattern, so select this circle, and here we need 6 number of pattern. So make the instances will be 6 number. So we create 6 number of pattern. Okay, and here we are create make the extrude cut better. So go to the feature, now select extrude cut, and here we make the condition through all, select through all. So it's cut also this portion, so it taking less time to create our geometry. Okay, so we apply the material to this pipe design. So go to the appearance, now select here metal, select chrome, and here we select satin finish chrome. So look how we create, and here we create this part on top face. So it will we create the plane distance of 132 mm, and here we create the sketch. So we create center rectangle 150 and 150 into 150 and extrude this one 20 mm. So here we go to the reference geometry. Now select plane. It will ask first reference. So select top plane, and here we create the plane distance of 132 mm. Okay. Now we select this plane, right click, sketch, normal. Here we select center rectangle and we create rectangle up to here. Now exit this sketch. Now go to the smart dimension and make it 150 mm and select this line and make it also 150 mm. Here we also create the fillet of we create the fillet here of 20. So go to the fillet and make the fillet of 20 mm. Now if you want to apply all these fillets, so simply select and drag up to here, so it will select completely. Okay. Now we exit this sketch. So first do extrude. So undo this. First we create this profile. So it's better to create this profile. So here go to the normal and we go to the sketch, select circle and select this point, go to the smart dimension and make this circle profile 80 mm dia. Okay, and here we make the extrude. So go to the feature. Now select extrude boss base and extrude reverse direction and make the condition up to next. So it comes here. Okay, now select this face, sketch, normal, and here we create second circle of 55 mm and extrude cut 15 mm, and again we create the circle of 48 diameter and we create the extrude cut up to next. So look how we do this. Select this circle, select this point. Okay, go to the smart dimension and make it dia 55, enter. Now here we go to the feature. Now select extrude cut and make the extrude cut 15 mm. Okay, we create the extrude this cut this face. Now again select this face, right click, sketch normal, and here we create second circle. So go to the circle, we create the circle from this point. Now exit this sketch, and this will be 48 diameter, and we extrude cut up to next. So go to the smart dimension and make it 48 dia. Okay, and here we make the extrude cut. So go to the feature, now select extrude cut, and here we select up to next. So we create this face. So if you want to see the section view, so here go to the section view, so look how we create and extrude cut up to next here feature. Now okay, now again select this face, right click, sketch normal, and here we are select center rectangle, select this center point, and we create this one up to here. Now go to the smart dimension, select this line and make it 150 mm. Okay, now again select this one and make it 150 mm. Now go to the fillet and make the fillet of 20. Now simply select and drag. So we apply the fillet here, and again select the circle. We create the circle from this point, and we create up to here. Now normal, here we select the circle, select this point, create 4 circle. Okay, select this one, this one also. Now select all this circle by press shift key. So select this one, and this last one, and here we make the relation equal, so it will be equal, and this dia will be 18 dia. Smart dimension and make it 18. So it's all become 18. Okay, and here we extrude this one to 20 mm. So make it 20. Go to the feature, now select extrude boss base and extrude this sketch 20 mm and make the direction reverse, so it become reverse direction, and here we select the merge. Okay, now here we apply the fillet of 5 radius. So go to the fillet command and select the radius 5, enter this one, select this corner and this corner. Okay, now here we hide this plane. Here we apply the chamfer of 1 mm. So go to the fillet, here select chamfer, and we make the chamfer of 1 mm. Select this face, not face, select this chamfer and select this corner, this one, and select this one and make the chamfer of 1 mm and degree will be 45. So look how we create this simple pipe, and we apply the degree of this pipe 5 degree bending, and here we see the section view for this one. So look how we create this one. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. So please subscribe our channel for more video and project.